Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomidegraphix. In this video, you'll be learning how to use Microsoft Bing to create an AI image. Before we continue, kindly hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Now you are on your Google Chrome. You type Bing image creator, that's it, Bing image creator. Now you click on the first one there, you see bing.com. Click on Bing, the first one, image created with Bing image creator. You click on that. The reason why you see this interface is because I have registered already with Bing. So if this is your first time, you will be directed to register with your email. After that, you'll be directed here. So with that being said, let's continue. Now let's read the prompt. Create a 3D illustration of an animated character sitting casually on top of a social media logo, that's Facebook. The character must wear a casual model clothing such as jean jacket and nice Air Jordan sneakers, black and white color. The background of the image is social media profile page with a username Ayomide and a picture of a young black male that match. Create. Wow, look at the amazing 3D image you've got. Wow, created by Microsoft Bing. I'll be choosing the one at the bottom right corner there. Wow, look at what we got. Wow, look at it. A young black young guy sitting on the Facebook logo. Now you click on those three dots. Now click on download. Wow, it is downloaded already. From text to 3D image. If you like this video, kindly click the subscribe button below and also click the like button as well. Also share this video to your friends across your social media and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you think about this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.